Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institution. In this video, we discuss about intelligent braking system. Abstract of the project is due to overpopulation, vehicle consumption is also high. So accidents also occur in higher rate. So we develop intelligent braking system. It makes automatic braking. Okay, in this project, sensor is fixed in the front side of the vehicle. If any object detected, it actuates the solenoid valve. It injects high compressed air to the pneumatic cylinder. It applies brake. Okay, let's see the working video of this project. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.